There is no other system like the FGM-148 Javelin as a fire-and-forget man-portable anti-tank system, as seen here taking out a Russian MT-LB armored fighting vehicle. As the missile can penetrate any tank, a much less protected armored vehicle stands no chance for the tandem warhead, which means two shaped charges go off, destroying any armor in its way, as the anti-tank system is easy to use and relies on a targeting system. The precision is high and consistent compared to systems where the operators control the flight path of the missile. As the biggest drawback is the cost, it more than enough compensate with capability, helping destroying another of Russia's armored vehicle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.